I've scraped all my life to get a living, just cannot do it anymore. We just hoped and prayed that we were eligible to get this pension credit, but I could not get my head round these forms. I'm John, I'm 79 years old, I'm retired lorry driver. I hate filling in forms. They are much too complicated forms. This is where I walked into Age UK Sheffield. That's when they said to me, we'll help you do it. I thought, thank God for that. Daniel was absolutely marvellous. He's helped me quite a lot, thanks to the support from BlackRock Foundation. We found out it was eligible for the pension credit. They helped us get another £400 a week. I couldn't believe it. We're living a lot better than we was, say, over a year ago. A lot better. We can put the heat on now without worrying and do lots of bits and bats around the house. I've got still knees from jumping on and off lorries. The next thing I want to do is to get the stair lift in. It's a relief. I am able to take a breath and do my hobbies. Where would I be without Age UK? I'd still be trying to fill the forms out.